Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to learn how to share passwords among a group on iPhone and iPad. In iOS 17 and iPadOS 17, Apple has introduced the ability to securely share passwords and passkeys with people in your contacts using a new shared password function. It's called Family Passwords, which is designed to let you create a group of trusted contacts that you can share passwords and passkeys with across devices. That said, let's get started. First and foremost, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 17 or later or iPadOS 17 or later. Now scroll down and tap on Passwords. Under the Family Password section, tap on Get Started. Then tap on Continue. After that, add a group name for your shared group, and then tap on the Add People option to select trusted people from your contacts. And when you are done, make sure to tap on Create. Then choose the passwords and passkeys you would like to move to the newly created group, and then tap on the Move option, and that's pretty much it. Once you have moved your passwords to the group, you can access them at any time on your device by going to the Family Password section. Here, you can also manage the shared passwords, add or remove people from the group, and delete the group if it's no longer needed. It's worth pointing out that the contacts you add to the group will need to have their devices updated to iOS 17 or iPadOS 17 and later before they can access shared password groups, and that's all there is to it. So that's how you can easily share passwords among a group on your iPhone or iPad. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.